Now in 1P, again we have seen so many problems. Angle between the lines, parallel, perpendicular condition we have seen. How to find the K value also we have seen. Today we will see next model. Find the equation of a line passing from 5, 4 and parallel to 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. What is the given question? It says equation of line which passes from 5, 4 and parallel. This model is very, very important, sir. Very, very, very important. Now, equation of the line parallel to 2x plus 3y plus k is 7 is equal to 0 is given by plus k is equal to 0. Okay, look at here. I am putting arrow mark here. We observe these two are same. These two are same. Only plus 7 is become plus k. Somebody will have a doubt. Sir, if it is minus k is minus 7 is there, should we write plus k or minus k? Always whether plus sign is there or minus sign is there, always you are write plus k only. Is it clear? Whether plus sign is there, minus means the first two terms you have to write as is. Here for example 2x minus 3y is there, you write 2x minus 3y. Here plus 7 is there, plus k. Here minus 7 is there, plus k only. This is very, very important. Now how to find the k value? P point 5, 4 on it. Therefore 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 plus k is equal to 0. So 10 plus 12 plus k is equal to 0. What is the k value? Minus 22. Therefore, required line. Where is the line? This one. We require this answer. So 2x plus 3y minus 22 is equal to 0. Okay. Let us see one more problem. Here. Find the equation of line passing from minus 3, 4 and parallel to 4x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, I told you the same model will come. Now, solution. Equation of the line parallel to 4x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 is given by, I told you first two terms is same, minus is there, plus k. Whether sign minus sign is there, plus sign is, it is not relevant for us. Only we are write plus k. Now what is the point? Minus 3, 5 on it. So what will happen? Minus 12 minus 15 plus k is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 27. Therefore, 4x minus 3y minus 27 is equal to 0 is our line. Is required line. So here plus sign is there, plus sign, plus is there, we have to put plus. Here minus is there, we have to place plus only. This is very, very important. Okay, please note down. Now next one, please understand that very, very important. Find the equation of line, equation of the line perpendicular to perpendicular to 3x plus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0 and passes from 1, 3. Now look at the solution. Required line is given by, okay, we'll write this statement like this. Equation of the line perpendicular to perpendicular to 3x plus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0 is given by 4x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0. Again, look at here. If you got doubt, go through the video as many times. 3 is coming for 4, 4 is coming for 3. So we are interchanging. 3 and 4 is interchange. 4 is coming for x and 3 is coming for y. That's why 4x. And here plus sign is there, minus sign. Here plus sign is there, minus sign. If minus sign is there, this will come plus. If plus sign is there, we are writing minus sign. If minus sign is there, plus sign will come. This is very, very important. Next, interchange the numbers. Okay, simply you have to interchange the numbers. And I told you, whether plus sign is there, minus sign is there, plus k we have to write. Now, what is the point he has given now? 1, 3 on it. So, 4 minus 9 plus k is equal to 0. 4 into 1, 4, 3 3s are 9. So, minus 5 plus k is equal to 0. K is equal to 5. Therefore, required line is 4x minus 3y. Here arrow is important. Underline, so that what will happen, you will never make a mistake. This is very, very important, sir. We will be using this concept for 7 marks also. K value how much we got? Plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, let us see one more problem. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to perpendicular to 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 and passes from 4 comma minus 3. Okay, passes from 4 comma minus 3. Now, solution. Equation of the line perpendicular to perpendicular to 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 is given by, again, interchange x and y. What is here? 3 and 5. Don't change any numbers, only numbers. So 3 will come here, 3x, 5 will come here, 5y, and minus will become plus. Is it clear? So interchange numbers only. This minus will become plus. Okay, if you want to write, put a plus sign. Then write 3 for here, 3x, write 5 here, plus k is equal to 0. Now what I have done? The minus sign. Look at here. It is plus, minus is becoming plus. Here plus is becoming minus. Minus is becoming plus. Here plus is there. Plus is becoming minus. Here also what we are doing here? Minus is become plus. Now how to find the k value? From here it is same. P is 4 comma minus 3 on it. So this becomes 12 minus 15 plus k is equal to 0. So minus 3 plus k is equal to 0. K is equal to 3. Therefore, required line is what, sir? Here I am putting arrow here. 3x plus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. Observe here. Here minus is there, put a plus sign, interchange 3 and 5. Here plus sign is there, put a minus sign, interchange. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, note down this. Right, now look at here. Find the equation of the line find the equation of the line perpendicular to 3x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0 and making x-intercept minus 4 on x axis, right? Solution. Now required line is perpendicular to what is the perpendicular to 3x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0 is given by, look at here, plus sign you write first, minus sign, interchange 4x minus 3y. So interchange 3 and 4, plus will become minus, plus k is equal to 0. So what we have done, again same rule. Now how to find the k? He has not given point, but what is the statement? Given it makes minus 4 on x axis, means the point is minus 4 comma 0. If he says y intercept 0 comma minus 4 will come, he says x intercept minus 4 comma 0. Therefore, is it clear? I am putting arrow. These statements are very important. So 4 into minus 4 minus 3 into 0 plus k is equal to 0, minus 16 plus k is equal to 0, k is equal to 16. Therefore, required line is, what is required line? There is a line here, I have put arrow here. Yeah. So 4x minus 3y, k value how much we got? 16 plus 16 is equal to 0. Right? So here you have to find very important, the line equation interchange. Okay, please note down this. Next, the line x by a minus y by b is equal to 1 meets x axis at p, x axis at p. Find the equation of line, equation of the line perpendicular at p. Now what is the meaning of this solution? Now what is the given equation? X by a minus y by b is equal to 1. What is the LCM? AB. So bx minus ay is equal to 1. Cross multiplication. AB, right? Or bx minus ay minus ab is equal to 0, right? Now it meets x axis at p, means on x axis which coordinate is 0, sir? Y is equal to 0. Means what? b into x, a into 0 minus ab is equal to 0. So we have to find p. So what is the condition? Y is equal to 0. So this becomes bx minus ab is equal to 0. So bx is equal to ab, x is equal to a. So what is the x value? A. Therefore, the point is a comma 0. Right? We got the point. Now we have to find perpendicular equation. Now, equation of the line perpendicular to, what is the line we got, sir? Here, this equation. bx minus ay minus ab is equal to 0. Observe here. First plus will be, minus will become plus. Put the a here, b here. So it is equal to ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. Two arrows have put. Bx minus ay, the minus will become plus. A will for x, for b will come for y. Ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. Is it clear? So interchange x and y and change the sign. Now how to find the k value? What is the point we got, sir? Point is a comma 0 on it. So a into a plus b into 0 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore, a square plus k is equal to 0, k is equal to minus a square. Therefore, required line is what, sir? Here ax plus by plus k. K value is what, sir? Minus a square is equal to 0. So what we have done? 3 parts. First we have taken LCM, then x-axis means y is equal to 0. Therefore we have put the values. Then we got x value a. So P point we got. Then now point is there perpendicular. What is the perpendicular rule? We have to change the sign here. First minus will come plus, a will come for x, b will come for y. So ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. Put the point, you get the answer. Okay, note down this. Find the equation of the straight line. Equation of the straight line passing from point of intersection of the lines x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0 and parallel to 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. Now here find the equation of straight line passing from the point of intersection parallel. Now first point of intersection. Okay, first you have to find a point of, what is the line equation? X minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0, x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Again, I told you this method is very, very important, cross multiplication method, right? First y coefficient, minus 2, minus 3, 1, minus 2. Y coefficient, constant, x coefficient. Y coefficient, constant, x coefficient, again y will come. Here 3, minus 6, 1, 3. Therefore, x by 12 minus of minus 9 is equal to y by minus 3 minus of minus 6, 1 by 3 minus of minus 2. So x by 21, here y by minus of minus is plus 6 minus 3, 3 is equal to 1 by 5. Therefore, x is equal to 21 by 5, y is equal to 3 by 5. So cross multiplication. Therefore, our point is 21 by 5, 3 by 5. Now, required line. What is the required line? Is parallel to which line? 3x plus 4y is equal to 7 he has given. Make it minus 7 is equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0 is given by. For parallel, the line equation will not change. 3x plus 4y and minus 7 will become plus 7, plus k, sorry. And I told you, any value is there, you have to put plus k. So what I have done, simply you have to write this x 3x plus 4y as this and constant is replaced by plus k. Now how to find the k value? Put 21 by 5 comma 3 by 5 on it. So what will happen? 3 into 21 by 5 plus 4 into 3 by 5 plus k is equal to 0. 63 by 5 plus 12 by 5 plus k is equal to 0. Same denominator, 63 plus 12, 75 by 5 plus k is equal to 0. So this becomes 15 plus k is equal to 0, k is equal to minus 15. Therefore, required line. What is the line? I told you here, I am putting arrow here. So here you have to put 3x plus 4y, k value is what, sir? Minus 15. What is here? First you have to find the point of intersection, then use the concept of parallel. We have to find. Note on this. Find the equation of the line, straight line. Find the equation of straight line passing from the point of intersection of the lines x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 and x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0, x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0 and perpendicular to perpendicular to 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. Again, first you have to find a point of intersection. X plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. X, y, 1. Put a line, put a line. Again, y coefficient 3, minus 1, 1, 3. Next one, minus 2, 4, 1, minus 2. X by cross multiplication 12 minus of 2 is equal to minus 1 minus 4 is equal to 1 by minus 2 minus 3. X by 10, y by minus 5, 1 by minus 5. Therefore, x is equal to 10 by minus 5 minus 2. Y is equal to minus 5 by minus 5 is equal to 1. So, what is the P point? Minus 2 comma 1. So, you got P point. Now, required line is perpendicular to what line, sir? 2x plus 3y is equal to 0 is given by. Now observe here, first you have to interchange coefficients, sir, and change the sign. So I am putting a minus sign, 3 will come here, 3x minus 2y. Somebody will have, sir, there is no constant. If there is a constant, if there is no constant, if minus sign plus sign, always you are right, plus k is equal to 0. Is it clear? Interchange 3 and 2, change the sign. And there is no constant, even then you are right, plus k. Constant is there, that's why this is many times he has given in examination. So plus k. Now how to find the k value, sir? What is the P point? Minus 2 comma 1 on it. Means what? 3 into minus 2, 2 into 1 plus k is equal to 0. K is equal to 0. K is equal to 8. Required line is here. I am putting arrow here. 3x minus 2y. 8k value, how much you got? 8. Plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so what we have seen? Parallel perpendicular condition and how to find the equation passing from. Okay.